When two officers showed up at his door, an Arizona homeowner thought he was in trouble, but he quickly realized that the investigation was actually for something he never expected.
Okay, is this real? Is this real or fake?
Real.
Real turf?
It's real grass.
But what are these?
What are what?
What are these little pins holding it down?
Those are sprinklers.
Are they sprinklers? Dude, that's like legit nice grass. Like I just told him, I'm like, we're getting old if we think the grass is nice.
129 is
Okay.
like, so
Okay, all right.
I appreciate that.